A student has been shot and killed. This is a student who has been shot and he has killed his woman classmate at a college in Punjab's Taran district before turning the gun on himself. The shooting was captured on the classroom CCTV footage. The incident occurred at the Law College in Usma. The shooter has been identified as Prince Raj, a resident of the village, while the woman was identified as Sandeep Kaur. And this is the woman who has died on the spot, while Prince Raj is critical and is undergoing treatment. Gurpreet, my colleague, joining us in order to get us details. Gurpreet, what led to this? Was he friends with her? Did they know each other? Did they study at the same college? Take us through the history in this case. This student who first shot the woman and then took his own life, tried to take his own life right after, but he is in the hospital. She has died.
Well, the police have already started investigating this matter in detail, and they are recording the statement of the various classmates of the deceased, as well as the person who has got injured, and he is critical in condition as of now, what we have learned from the police officials. They are recording the statement so that they will be able to understand what was the bone of contention behind this incident. They are trying to find out the motive. Why did he kill this woman classmate, and how did he get this weapon, and why did he bring to the campus today morning? So they are trying to find out the exact reason behind this incident. But as of now, what we have learned from the top police official, they are saying that they are also trying to investigate a love affair angle, so that they will be able to find out there was some resentment among both of them, between them or not. That is another angle which police is probing at this point of time. We have already accessed this CCTV camera footage where we have seen this young man who was also classmate of the woman who has already been killed. He pulled out the gun. He first shot at her, and after that he has also shot at him. So let's see that how the investigation will be completed. Then there will be more clarity on these lines. But as of now, we have seen the police have already started recording the statement of all the students, so that they will be able to find out what was the exact motive behind this incident which has been taken place in the campus.
Very shocking incident that has come to light, and of course, first shooting female classmate and then finally trying to take his own life, and now he is in the hospital while he's battling for his life, the poor classmate.